Welcome to David's Toys Games. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So today's vid we have a special guest, Snorlax. Snorlax is our special guest because today's video will be unboxing Pokemon NanoBlocks. It's called NanoBlocks because it's an extremely micro-sized building block born from Japan. The smallest part is a meter of 4 times 4 times 5 meters. Fun to make, fun to display, and fun to collect. NanoBlock is a stimulating and entertaining hobby material for everyone, especially for grown-ups.
Are you a grown-up?
Nope. It's also for kids. Okay, guys, let's open and see what's inside. Ding, 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 ding. Hey, I'm gonna fill it. Who is this? It's Snorlax! Wait. Instruction manual, pieces, and we're ready. And I'm ready to build this hardcore challenge. We're building it today, Snorlax. Woo! Oh, look at the size of this. Okay, guys, let's open it up. Okay, guys, so we've already sorted the color, so let's get building. Okay guys, so my mom helped me with the first 3 steps because it was very hard. So now let's continue. The last piece and Snorlax done. Here's Snorlax, guys. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, guys, we're doing Snorlax. It sounds very funny. Okay, guys, so this is Snorlax from the Pokemon NanoBlock series. Thanks for watching and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!